In this era of artificial intelligence, anyone can create their own original music in just 3 mouse clicks, even without any knowledge about music. If you search for relaxing music on YouTube, you will see that the average video views for this kind of content are truly amazing. I have also checked one of these channels on Social Blade and found that it can generate a monthly income ranging from $10,000 to $164,000. And in this 7-minute video, I will show you how to create your own music videos for free using AI tools. In total, we will review 3 free AI music generator tools. So, let's get started. Part 1. Free AI Music Generator. The first AI music generator tool is Traxi AI. In their terms of use, they explain that you can use their AI-generated music for free, even for monetization through YouTube. Please read carefully to understand how to use the music on another platform. To start using this AI tool, you will need to create a Traxi AI account. To do that, click the Sign Up button. You can create an account using your email or Gmail account. After finishing the registration, log into your account. Click the Create Track button to start creating your free AI music. To create music using this AI tool, you only need 3 clicks to create your original AI music. First, select your music genre or mood. In this example, we will use the ambient music genre. Now, select your music length. You can choose between 15 seconds to 3 minutes long. Finally, click the Create My Track button to start generating your free AI music. After the generation process is complete, you can directly play your AI music. If you like your music, click the Save button. If you don't like it, you can click Create My Track again to generate new AI music. To download your AI music, go to the library and click the Download button. Remember, you will need to put a license or attribution in your content description. Part 2. Creating music video using Canva. To create this kind of content, you don't need complex video editing using a video editor. Canva is enough to do this task. Now go to the Canva dashboard and click the Video button. Then go to the Element menu and type in the video style you want in the search bar. Click on the Video tab and select your desired video. Right-click and select the Set Video as background option. Now drag and drop your AI music from Part 1 into the Canva editor area. Click the plus button to add another video so that the video length matches the audio length. Click and drag your music to match the video length. Repeat this step until the end of your audio track. After everything is set, click the Share button and select Download. Choose the MP4 video format and the desired video quality. Make sure you select all pages in the Select Page option. Click Download to download your music video. Here is the result. Part 3. Free AI Music Generator Alternative 1. If you are looking for an AI music generator that allows users to enter their prompt, you can use this free AI music generator. Go to Waveformer website, type your prompt, enter your video length, and click the Make Music button to start generating your AI music. Remember, the maximum length is 30 seconds, so this music generator is suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram feeds, or other content that requires unique and short music. This AI tool will give you music and video formats as the results. You can download them depending on your needs. Part 4. Free AI Music Generator Alternative 2. The last tool is designed to create short-form AI music. Now, we will try Beethoven AI to generate long-form AI music. If you are using the free plan, the maximum music length is 5 minutes. If you are using the premium plan, you can generate up to 15 minutes of music. To start using this AI tool, click the Sign Up button. You can sign up using a Gmail or email account. After the registration process is complete, log in to your Beethoven AI dashboard. Click the New Track button to start creating your AI music. Type your music title, set the music duration, and choose your music tempo. Click the Next button to continue. Now, select your music genre and click Apply to continue. Next, select the music emotion you want and click the Apply button to start generating your AI music. If you don't like the result, you can select an alternative track in the Alternate Track section, or you can generate new music by clicking the Get New Tracks button. You can also adjust the music volume and change instruments if needed. After you get the music you want, click the Download Track button to download your AI music. Select your desired file format. If you are not satisfied with these 3 AI music generators, you can watch this video where I reviewed another 4 AI music generators. Alternatively, you can also learn how to generate AI songs by watching this video. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye-bye!